be the second episode of the Capri Twin Turbo series. So today I plan on having a peek inside the timing cover, checking the guides are still good. I need to reseal the timing cover. Yeah, as explained in the sort of previous last video where we remove the engine and check compression. I also wouldn't mind checking the bottom end bearings again, just as a sort of fail-safe. But to do this, unfortunately, I have to remove the whole plenum, coil, both turbos, the power steering pump, the alternator, the tensioner, the water pump, basically every ancillary of the engine, including rock covers and sump, to get to it. So I'll crack with that and I'll see you just shortly after. Turns out the footage I just got of me removing all the alternator, power steering pump and water pump and such didn't record, so yeah, here it is now. And it's getting pretty obvious that a small leak's coming from the rocker cover up the top there, which had a brand new specialised engine seal put on it literally 2,000 miles ago, which was terrible to install and apparently is also terrible to seal. So I won't be using them again. I'm going to try the Boost Performance seal instead, which actually is probably cheaper anyway and apparently much better. So yeah, pure leaks have all sort of come down from the top there. A couple which were my fault around here where I didn't use the gasket sealer on the timing cover here. So you can see them coming down and around. And then just the sump because I also need to seal. But I'll strip the rock covers off now and the sump and hopefully record a time lapse of it, maybe. And yeah, see you then. That could be slightly disturbing there. I've seen I've got something on my magnetic sump block. Kind of comes across as your focus. Being a tad metallic. So I've pulled the sump off, and the first thing I saw was another fragment of metal there, sitting, a little splinter, right there. So what have I cocked up? Interesting. The oil itself, the bottom of the sump, it's a bit murky there, but other than that, bit sort of grey. Definitely metallic. No more big bits in it I can feel. So yeah, I think time to have a look inside the engine. Shit. I want taken apart for this. So after the previous finds in the sump plug and the pickup, I decided to pull it off and have a look. I've only taken one main cap off and a big end. Bearings got wear, but you probably won't be able to see on camera well. But nothing, they're still smooth. Just used really. They're still smooth. It's not, from these two anyway, it's not knackered, which is a kind of good sign. It's still smooth, but what isn't quite as good is the contents of the pickup. So I found some of my old gaskets at the back, so that's nice. What's not so nice is that's steel. And somehow it's found its way into pickup. I don't know when or where from, but it's in there. So I've got to try and find out where it come from and why it's come from there. So I think the simple just check the engine itself isn't going to happen now. It's going to have to be a tear the engine to pieces. If you're wondering, if you want to strip the engine down to the block and heads, that's all the crap you have to remove. So yeah, I think I'll take a peek and order some parts up and start chucking more money at the old girl. Well, that sort of wraps up today's success. See, things didn't quite go to plan, but shit happens. So yeah, looks like we might have a bigger job on our hands now. Yeah, if you happen to want to see more or want to leave me any kind of feedback, then drop a comment down below. Maybe give it a like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you again next time with us next time. Cheers.